Hi guys, I am Poonam and welcome back to your channel All That I Wonder. So today's video is another Amazon beauty haul and it's an Amazon beauty skincare haul. So all the products are related to your skincare and that too the products are really reasonable. All the products are under rupees 300. I have kept in mind to keep reasonable products and also just a couple of products are on the higher side. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first product is from Plum. It is their Bulgarian Valley Rose Water Toner with hyaluronic acid. This toner is fragrance free. This is a very reasonable toner or rose water and it is suitable for all skin types. So if you are looking for a reasonable toner, that too from a really nice brand, I really like Plum as a brand. I have used a lot of their products earlier also. That's why I thought of giving this rose water or a toner a try. I'm going to try all these products in near future and I'm going to let you know how I like these products. Next one is also facial skin toner. This one is also in the rose variant. This is from Lotus Herbals. I've used this toner for quite long time. Earlier when this was a part of my skincare routine, I think a couple of years back, but then I stopped using it. So I bought it once again and I've been using it for 3-4 days now already. It has a very beautiful rose fragrance. It's not an irritating or too strong fragrance. It's very mild. This is also alcohol free and spraying it on my face in the morning after I washed my face makes me feel so refreshed and nice. The third skincare product is from Neutrogena. This is their Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with 50 SPF. If you have been following me for quite some time, you already know that I use a sunscreen from Lotus which I have been using for a really long time. So I wanted to try more and more toners, more and more sunscreen so that I can share their reviews with you all. So that's what I did for this haul. I ordered a lot of skincare, lot of sunscreen, lot of toners so that I can try and let you know how they all work for me, and that too they are so reasonable. I've heard a lot about this sunscreen as well, so that's why I bought this sunscreen. The quantity of the product is 30 ml and it's ultra light clean feel water resistant sunscreen. So the next product is also a sunscreen. This one is from La Shield. It is their Expert Urban Protect Mineral Sunscreen Gel and Pollution Protect. This one is also SPF 50 PA++ UVA and UVB. This one is also lightweight and oil free. That's what they have mentioned on the packaging. This brand is quite new to me. I have not really used anything from La Shield earlier. I saw this on Amazon. It was also suitable for all skin types. Because I'm trying out different sunscreens now to be able to share reviews with you all, I thought of giving it a try because it is also quite reasonable. The next product is one more sunscreen. This is from Lacto Calamine and this is their Daily Sunshield Matte Look Sunscreen with Kaolin Clay. I already use the Lacto Calamine moisturizer on a daily basis and I've been using it for a really long time. So when I saw their sunscreen, I thought why not, I should give it a try. This is also SPF 50 and it gives a mattifying effect to your skin. That's what they have mentioned. This is actually for oily skin and it is light and non-sticky. My skin is not really oily type, but I have included all types of sunscreen so that I can try them or my family members can try them and I can share the review with you all. The next product is from Lakme. It is their 925cc complexion care cream and I have purchased it in the shade 03 Bronze. I have used the CC cream from Lakme for really very long time. This is a really great CC cream for daily use if you are looking for one. It does not give you too much of coverage. It's quite lightweight and great for daily wear. You can definitely give this a try. It blends really smoothly into your skin. This also comes with SPF 30 PA++. But whatever it is, whatever product I'm using, even if it comes with a SPF, I make sure to apply sunscreen on my face always. Now these were all the reasonable products as I had mentioned. There are just a couple of products which are on the higher side, but I think they are definitely worth it. You can save for some time and then try out these products. Next one is Rice Water Foaming Cleanser from Face Shop. Look at the packaging of this face cleanser. It comes in this beautiful tube which is pink in color. I really like the packaging. It's quite handy. I've already started using this face cleanser, and my husband is also using it. His skin is oily, my skin is combination type. After using it for 3-4 days, I felt it made my skin a little oily. That's what I have felt right now. Definitely I will share my reviews with you in maybe my empties video, so look out for those videos as well. I really like the packaging. The tube has this small nozzle from which the face wash comes nicely, and you don't really need a lot of it. You need very less quantity of this, so this goes a long way. I had heard a lot of reviews about this also. And Korean skincare, as we all know, they have the best skincare, and the fragrance is really mild and nice. I really like the fragrance of the face wash. And the last skincare product is from Forest Essentials. Once again, this is also a sunscreen. This is their Sun Fluid Tender Coconut Water with turmeric and basil leaf, SPF 50 PA++. This is the only expensive and luxurious product from all the products that I have purchased. But I think I really like Forest Essentials as a brand. My husband has already started using it. I think this was meant for all skin types. I don't really remember right now. But he has been using it, I think, for 4 or 5 days already. His skin is actually oily, and by the end of day, it actually starts looking really oily. But since the day he has been applying it, his skin has not been oily at all in the evenings also. So that's just the mini review of it after using 4 or 5 days. But we are going to continue using it for long, and then I will share the review with you all. So this was my Amazon beauty haul of products, of skincare products under ₹300. I really hope that you found this useful. I'm trying to include more and more reasonable products also, and good quality products also, and some products are on the luxurious and high-end side. If you are new on the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Just hit the subscribe button. It's free and it really means a lot to me. And if you take out time to watch my videos, thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. That's it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, you all take care, love yourself and be happy. Bye.